Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, back with yet another nail video. I know it's been a while. Please do not kill me. I apologize for the long delay. To be completely honest, I just felt kind of discouraged because I'm not the best at nails by any means, and I just feel like the nail game has changed so much since I've been in beauty school, and I'm just now getting back into the swing of things. So Madam Glam was nice enough to reach out to me. They did send me a little kit full of nail polishes. They sent me a top coat that soak off. They also sent me a base coat. They also sent me these 3 bomb ass shades called XOXO, Foggy Night, which is the dark green, and another one called Cold Lips, which is a lighter green. XOXO is my absolute favorite. It's just a nude brown color. So here you see me. I was gonna just cut this out, but I decided to leave it in. I actually did sculpt these nails from scratch, guys. I put in like a nail tip, and then I just added a tip on top of that tip, and then I'm just going ahead adding just a clear layer of Valentino acrylic, and then I'm just going to go ahead and shape these nails, making them like a little square, nothing too crazy. And then I'm just going to show you guys the nail polish. So I did leave this in just so you guys can see that I actually did try to sculpt these acrylic nails. Again, they aren't the best. I have not done nails in about 6-7 months, so I literally recorded 4 nail videos back to back. I have this one doing the Madam Glam. I also have 3 more videos coming up using my practice hands. And to be honest, as I'm recording the videos, I am noticing that I'm improving. So I just figure, what the heck, I'm just gonna go ahead and post those anyway, just so I can personally see my growth. If you guys are interested, I mean, you don't have to let me know because I'm gonna post it anyway, but if you do want to see more nail content, please just let me know. So again, I'm just going in, nothing too crazy. I was sculpting these nails, and because my acrylic application is not the best, I do have to go in and use a hand file and an e-file, but I did that really quickly off camera. I will add like a little snippet just so you can see that I'm not BSing, but this video is mainly a review about the Madam Glam products. I will say one thing I did forget to do was wipe off the top coat once I applied it. It is a wipe off or soak off top coat, which means you just need to grab a little bit of alcohol, which I did with a little towel, or what is that, a paper towel, and I just wiped the top of that off. But I did want to mention that because I didn't wipe off the top coat. I completely forgot. I was just hyped to get this video out and to get you guys some more nail content. I am going to be doing some longer nail sets. I'm also going to be pushing myself out of my comfort zone, literally just trying a little bit of everything. So if there's something specific you want to see me try, please drop that down below. So I'm just going to finish applying this acrylic, and I'll be back in just a second when I'm ready to show you guys the Madam Glam shades. So here I'm going in with the soak off base coat. I'm just applying a thin layer of this, and I am going to cure this under my UV lamp for about 90 seconds. And then once I'm done, I am going to play around with all 3 of these shades. You're going to see me go in with the tan, which is XOXO, Foggy Night, which is that dark like winter looking green, hunter green, I think that's how you call it, and then Cold Lips is the lighter like pale pastel looking green. So again, I'm just putting on this thin layer of base coat. I am going to let this clear. It is wipe off base coat or soak off, which means basically you just wipe it off once you're done the application. I did not, however, I literally just winged it. To be honest, I was just really excited to show these shades off. But I am going to actually be recording another video using my Madam Glam nail polishes, as well as my Nail Addict nail polishes, because I have so many and I just want to play around with my application when it comes to applying gel. I'm not the best. I can finesse definitely, but I just want to get a little bit better. So I'm really excited to finally have some nail content for you guys. I was kind of discouraged just because I felt like it needs to be perfect, it needs to be this way, but I had to remind myself like, hey, we all start from somewhere, so just do it. And if it makes you uncomfortable, that's the right direction, you feel me? So I'm just going in here. This first nail is the shade XOXO. This is just my first layer. I am going to apply 1 layer of this on each nail, cure it, and then just do another coat. And then the second shade right here is the Cold Lips, which is the lighter green. I was feeling this. I like nuded and nuded. Oh my god, I love nude and muted nail colors. And I also like bright colors. But if I had to choose, I would definitely go on with XOXO. It just was giving what it needed to give. I love like a natural, just dainty looking nail. So that would be like my typical go-to if I were to do a set on myself. I will actually start doing sets on myself, but I just want to practice a couple more times just to get a little bit better. Once I get better, I will definitely start doing my own nails, but I just don't want to walk around looking like Frankenstein on my hands, especially because I wash a lot of hair. So this last shade is Foggy Night, which is the dark green. And again, I'm going to cure this. I'm going to apply one more coat, and then I'm going to come back and then put on the top coat and then show you guys the end result. I don't want to repeat myself too much. I'm actually home with the kiddos today. They didn't have school for the last 2 days due to the snow. So I'm literally trying to kill 8 birds with one stone. But I will be sure to link the Madam Glam products down below, as well as the discount code, as well as my Red Iguana products that I'm using. I got this hand from Red Iguana during the pandemic. It's literally the best silicone hand ever. I purchased 4, but I honestly just use the same one over and over. But I'm going to start showing you guys the full hands and a couple other things. So I'm just going in again with the second layer, and then I'm going to cure it and show you guys the end result. Please drop down below, show your girl some love with these new nail videos. I know they're not the best, but again, I want to show you guys my growth because I know this is something that I can tackle. I've done it before. I just need to step my game up and get out my comfort zone. And I'm very appreciative to all the nail companies who have reached out to me, willing to take a chance on me, knowing that I'm still like kind of new to this. I really do appreciate that. It means the world to me. So thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. If you have not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at _CassandраOlivia. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day with my kiddos, and I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive Tuesday. I will catch you guys later. Bye.
That's what's so bright. That's what's so bright. That's what's so bright.